Hello, 8th grade, how are you? Please open your workbook, page 54. And don't forget to open your worksheet in order to help you to answer these questions. So, as you see here, vocabulary. Vocabulary, which mean new words, new meaning. We studied it in our lesson. So, question number 1. Find these words in the honey cellar, then answer the question. Check in a dictionary. So, as you see here, all of these words you can find it in our lesson, the honey cellar. Aroma, syrup, coarsely, neglect, service, adore, budding, form, mercilessly. So, you have to answer this question. بدك تجاوب على هذه الأسئلة from these words. Which word is an adverb? Adverb ظرف. You know that adverb sometimes or always ends in ly, meaning in an unkind way. Be careful. We have two adverbs, but you have to write the adverb that means what? In unkind way, في طريقة غير لبقة أو في طريقة قاسية. Okay, be careful. Number 2. Which two words are synonyms from the noun smell? We have synonyms. Synonyms, I mean with synonyms the same meaning. So from these words we have two words that have the same meaning, that mean smell. رائحة. I think it's clear. 3. Which word is an anatom from finely? Anatom, which mean the opposite meaning or ضد, against, for the word finally. Which word is an abstract noun? Noun, be careful. I want abstract noun, اسم مجرد. And don't forget what is the meaning of abstract noun. Noun, you can touch it, but you can recognize it with 5 senses, or you can't recognize it with 5 senses, something related to ideas or feelings. Okay, 5. Which words have these meanings? A dessert, نوع من الحلوى. A sweet liquid, سائل حلو. Type of something, نوع. The top part of something, أعلى الشيء. You can find the answer from these words. Okay, let's start with question number 2. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. You have to write the meanings of these words. Don't forget to use the worksheet. ورقة العمل, you can find all of these meaning. Sweetie, fridge, unfortified, exhausted, pure, annual, woolly, adept, shallow, gross. By the way, in the last page or the page before this, we find the meaning of these words in English. So you have to use them in these sentences. استعمالهم في الجمل. After running the 13 kilometers race, Ben felt horribly. Space and saw space that he just wanted to sleep for a week. 2. The really space areas of the world are around the North and South Poles. Be careful about South Poles. They what? فيهم انجماد. 3. The lake is large but too space for big ships. it's large كمساحة, but it isn't what, or but it is not too deep. عكس deep راح تنحط بالفراغ. Which one of these words which mean the opposite of deep? The city was completely space. Number 4. The city was complete space and was easily taken by the attacking army. غير محصنة أو غير منيعة. 5. The space old Shakespeare was space at getting high prices from tourists who visited his shop. The festival is a space event that happens every spring. Festival and happen every spring. Something happen every year or once a year. 7. The work was full of really space mistakes and the student failed. 8. The water in the mountain river was so space that it was safe to drink it. Yes, the water or river, and you can drink it. So it's what? Impure or pure. Question 3. Write the verbs. You have 2 verbs in the box in alphabetical order. ترتيبهم alphabetical order from A to Z. But I want you to know that all of these words are verb. This is number 1. Number 2, you have to what? To find the meaning. استخراج معانيهم. معاني الكلمات in exercise 3. Knit, suffer, fear, assume, distract, suspend, stomp, sink, fling, yup, tease. Okay? Write the verb from exercise 3 next to the correct meaning, then check dictionary. Now you have to use what? The worksheet. طلعوا معانيهم من الworksheet and you have to fill them in this meaning. To throw with forest, to get on, make progress, to trick, to hang. 5. To say something to someone is in order to have fun by annoying them or make them feel silly. To make clothing with wool using thin stick known as needles. needles اللي هم الإبر. هذا الفعل which one? Make clothes. To get someone's attention and stop them from concentrating on something. جذب اهتمام شخص. 8. To puzzle someone so they can give and explain. To puzzle اللي هو يحير أو تربك شخص. To go down, usually into liquid. Go down like fly in the liquid. We said that. Fly in the liquid. This verb is to experience pain or harm in your mind or body. 11. To believe that something is true even though you can't be certain. All of these words you can find it in the worksheet. So I hope so you will answer this question in order to answer them with each other. See you. Bye bye.